Hi everyone, this is Dave from Geekanoids.co.uk. This is my review of the Fenix TK40 Flashlight, which is claimed to be the world's brightest torch. Now it runs on 8 AA batteries, and on its brightest setting you get 630 lumens of output. Now that's very bright indeed. Now you only get 2 hours of battery life, but there are plenty of modes to choose from, and if you knock it down to 13 lumens then you do get 150 hours of use. All of the components are sealed, so it's waterproof to IPX8 standard, and it's super tough, made of T6 grade aircraft aluminium. Now these modes are accessed via the button on the back of the torch. One press turns the torch on, and if you hold the button in then you can knock the brightness up or down to that 13 lumen mode. It's not cheap. It's going to cost you £125.95 from the photonshop.co.uk, but if you want the ultimate torch for security work, or perhaps you just want the ultimate peace of mind, then the TK40 is certainly a flashlight to choose. Thanks very much for listening. Come back soon and check out more reviews on Geekanoids.co.uk.
This video review is sponsored by ProPorter.com, who design and manufacture a whole host of accessories for your mobile devices, including PDAs and smartphones, MP3 players and iPods, laptops, GPS devices and gaming units.